you ever wanted to know how to cut through a one-piece rim, it's the one piece. It's cut already, but it fits in. This is a no-flat tire. 10-inch. 4.10 by 354. It's a 10-inch solid foam tire. And sometimes you just need the tire. You don't need the rim. So, you know, I avoided these one-piece rims in favor of these types of rims with the bolts. We can just take the bolts out. But this wheel is a cheap wheel, and it doesn't fit the rim that I needed to fit, which is that rim right there. So I finally just went and got the one-piece wheel.